Hello everyone, welcome to Mastermind. Today let us learn 5 more MCQs and multiple concepts by solving these 5 MCQs in the part 10th of the series on most probable MCQs for KAS 2024. These questions, they need not appear only in KAS 2024, but you can also expect these questions in all the other examinations conducted by KPSC or KEA, because these questions are the most favorite questions for the examination paper setters for KPSC as well as KEA recruitments. So let us get started now. Consider the first question of the day. Consider the following pairs: literary work and then author. And the question asks how many of the above pairs are correctly matched. So the first says Devi Chandragupta was written by Bilhana. This is wrong. Second says Hamira Mahakavya was written by Nayachandra Suri. This is correct. Third says Milinda Panha was written by Nagarjuna. This is wrong. Fourth says Niti Vakyamrita was written by Somadeva Suri. This is correct. Therefore, the right option is option B, only 2. Devi Chandraguptam was written by Vishaka Datta. So Vishaka Datta has also written one more very important literary work known as Mudra Rakshasa. Mudra Rakshasa. So Vishaka Datta has written Devi Chandragupta and Mudra Rakshasa. Second, Hamira Mahakavya. Hamira Mahakavya was written by Nayachandra Suri. Next is Milinda Panha. Milinda Panha is regarded as the conversation. It is a record or a Buddhist text that records dialogue between Indian Buddhist sage Nagasena and the Indo-Greek king Menander I. Menander I, who is also known as Milinda in India. Menander I of Bactria. So it was written by Nagasena, not Nagarjuna, but Nagasena. So next is Niti Vakyamrita. It was written by Soma Deva Suri. See, of all these four, any one could be asked, or the same question can appear as it is. So you have to know the correct option here. It is only 2. Second question says, soul is not only the property of animal and plant life, but also of rocks, running water, and many other natural objects not looked on as living by other religious sects. The above reflects one of the core beliefs of which one of the following religious sects of ancient India. So, the belief that soul means jiva, souls or jiva exist in not only living beings but also in inanimate objects, so such as rocks, water, and other natural elements is a core doctrine of Jainism. So option B is correct. Jainism says that not only animate objects but inanimate objects like rock, stone, or any other elements like water, even these elements possess life. This is what Jainism believes. Jain philosophy holds that all entities, whether animate or inanimate, possess soul. That means every particular entity in the world has soul. And it also regards that even agriculture was not permitted in Jainism, because while performing agricultural operations, the agriculturists would kill the earthworm or other bacteria in the soil. So it was the belief of Jainism, and it believes that soul is not the property of animal and plant life, but every other entity like rocks, running water, and many other natural objects possess life or soul. This is the core belief of Jainism. Third question says, who among the following rulers of the Vijayanagara Empire constructed a large dam across the Tungabhadra river and a canal cum aqueduct several kilometers long from the river to the capital city? Put 5 stars. Put 5 stars this question, because this question is related to Karnataka and has been asked by UPSC. So what does that mean? That means the examination paper setters for KPSC or KEA will focus on this question, and you should know the answer for this question because the question is going to appear. I'm not saying it can appear. It will appear as it is. So, who among the following rulers of the Vijayanagara Empire constructed a large dam across the Tungabhadra river? It is none other than Devaraya I. So, Devaraya I was a prominent ruler of the Vijayanagara Empire who is known for constructing a large dam across the Tungabhadra river to provide irrigation for his capital city. He also built a canal cum aqueduct to carry water to the fields around capital. So he also built an aqueduct to carry water to the fields around the capital city. Which was the capital city of Vijayanagara Empire? You have to comment it. Fourth question says, who among the following rulers of medieval Gujarat surrendered due to the Portuguese? Ahmad Shah, Mahmud Begarha, Bahadur Shah, Muhammad Shah. So the right option here is option C, Bahadur Shah. Bahadur Shah, the Sultan of Gujarat, he was the Sultan of Gujarat and he surrendered due to Portuguese in the year 1535. This was done as a part of alliance against Mughal Emperor Humayun. It was done as a part of an alliance against the Mughal Emperor Humayun, but it eventually led to the permanent establishment of Portuguese. Permanent establishment of Portuguese control over Diu. That is why this question has been asked. So please remember Bahadur Shah. He was the Sultan of Gujarat and he surrendered due to Portuguese as part of an alliance against Mughal Emperor Humayun. Last question for the day says, by which one of the following acts was the Governor General of Bengal designated as the Governor General of India? So here the right option is option D, Charter Act of 1833. So before 1773, before the Regulating Act of 1773, the Governor of Bengal was called only Governor of Bengal. But after the Regulating Act of 1773, the Governor of Bengal was made as Governor General of Bengal, and the governors of Madras and Bombay Presidency were made subordinate to this Governor General of Bengal. And who is the first Governor General of Bengal? The first Governor General of Bengal is the Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings, very, very important, Warren Hastings. Now this continued, the Governor General of Bengal, this designation continued till the Charter Act of 1833. After the enactment of Charter Act of 1833, the Governor General of Bengal was called as the Governor General of India. The Governor General of India. This is as per the Charter Act of 1833. And who is the first Governor General of entire India? It is none other than William Bentinck. William Bentinck. And also, as per the Government of India Act of 1858, this designation called Governor General of India continued till 1857. After the Government of India Act of 1858, the designation of Governor General of India was changed. It was changed to the designation called as Viceroy of India. Viceroy of India. And the first Viceroy of India is Lord Canning. Lord Canning. And it was actually made from the Government of India Act of 1858. So very, very important. You have to know the Regulating Act of 1773, Charter Act of 1833, GOI Act of 1858, because these are very, very important acts because they change the designations of the chief authorities of India back then. So with this, we have come to the end of this part of this series. So part 10th is also over. We will be solving 50 more questions in the series. You have to note down all this because very, very important these questions are. And I think you are appreciating how many concepts you are learning by solving single MCQ. This is how you have to work for KPSC or KEA related examinations. So please note down all these points and also refer to the videos multiple times for better clarity. We'll meet again in the next part of the series. Till then, tata, bye bye. Thank you.